Hi everyone, I'm Martin Griffiths, CTO at Metis Automation, and we've been working on a challenge for O'Neill Sportswear to help them handle the challenges of mass customization of their jerseys in the manufacturing process. And that's because today people want to be able to design exactly what they want on their own sportswear, whether that be the colors, numbers, or their names. But the challenge of this is it can lead to thousands of possible combinations that a manufacturing process has to contend with. And if just one mistake is made in manufacture, that can lead to a massive wastage of material, or even worse, potentially shipping the wrong product to a customer that can lead to permanent brand damage. So our solution is to use our manufacturing software to seamlessly connect to the sales order process, where the customer has designed exactly what they want, and then to use a camera at the earliest possible stage in the process to identify which of those thousands of potential options should be in this jersey and then automatically detect its presence. And from that, we'll be able to signal to the production operator whether this order is okay to go on to the next stage in the process. And this is currently done by a person doing a manual visual inspection at the end of that process line. And they're prone to fatigue and to making mistakes. So the value in our system is it'll be done much faster, automated, and much earlier, meaning much less material and energy wastage. And the reason that we're doing this and why we're involved in the challenge is because I think work life shouldn't be about firefighting and chasing after solutions to problems. I think there should be time and space for people to enjoy their work life, to have balance, and to be their architects of their own future. And I think that our solution can enable that for people working in manufacturing. And while we're initially focusing on solving this for garment manufacture, I see this potentially as a global market for people who want to capitalize on mass customization, where it will give them a clear competitive advantage in their market. And while there are many automated vision inspection systems on the market, they often take time to configure, and it would be impractical to reconfigure the system for every new customer order when trying to achieve mass customization. So our solution will reconfigure automatically, cutting setup time and giving manufacturers the tools to rapidly deploy mass customization. And we're well placed to tackle this challenge, as we've been developing software to solve quality and inspection problems in over 100 projects now over the past 10 years. So I'd like to ask your help for your vote to help us build an MVP of an automated visual inspection system that will help manufacturers to develop and deploy their own mass customization processes. It'll free up people's time and attention to help them lead their business to the next level and become market leaders themselves. Thanks very much.